Wow, Michelle, wasn't that just a fabulous trail between Oakmont and Creekside? Boy, our conservancy knows what they're doing, I'll tell you that. What a great hike. In fact, look at this, there's a trail cat. Creekside Trail.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that clever?
Yes, it is.
And do you know, if we were to keep going on, we could actually walk on the Santa Ana River Trail right around that corner, all the way to Riverside.
Doesn't it take us to the beach?
Actually, it could, all the way to Huntington Beach. Look at here, Michelle. Ah, Hoppy Jigger. Right here. It's part of our listing that we're going to have open this Sunday. What are the hours?
It's from 1 to 4.
1 to 4. Ah, be still my heart. Look at those gorgeous roses. So what's the address, Michelle?
It's 720 Creekside in Redlands.
And what are the hours again?
1 to 4.
Hey, see you there.
Bye.